It's been absolutely wonderful to celebrate Diversity Fest back on campus with all of our wonderful staff and students. It's a week-long celebration of inclusion at UNSW and our commitment across all the faculties and divisions to making UNSW a diverse and inclusive place. I've loved being part of it. I've been to creative workshops about finding your voice and your identity through art, talking with Wendy Harcourt about how to think about environment, feminism, gender and inclusion, and picking up wonderful pieces of First Nation art at the stalls that were here.
Ideally, with the name Ethical Market Stalls, you know exactly what you're getting. It's not just a market stall, it's about the ethical values behind it. Most of the items are handmade and they all tell a story. So we have 2 First Nations organisations working with us. We have Palestine Fair Trade Australia with us today. We have Weft Shop, so they work with refugees and artisans from Burma. And we have representation from African Youth Initiative supplied by Adinkra Designs, who are based in Ghana.
In the virtual reality, we will showcase some social barriers and tell people what should they do under these scenarios. This video is just a starting point, give people curiosity and motivation to learn more about disability, advocate for disability inclusion, and make real changes. We actually receive a lot of positive feedback from students and staff from UNSW. People told us how our videos help them to understand disability, to empathize people with disability, and also empower them with actionable guidance about what to do to make real changes.
Last but not least, I'm so looking forward to the experience with students at our hackathon, thinking through how to make UNSW even more inclusive in an enduring way. Diversity Fest really is a wonderful celebration of our values in action and a pleasure for EDI to be part of.